Alright everybody, so we'll look at some important pip commands today. What is pip? Pip is Python package installer. If you want to install some library or package, so this pip helps in that. So the basic thing is pip install the package name. So let's say I want to install numpy. Okay, so it will install. I have already installed it, so it says requirement already satisfied. So now another important command is pip uninstall, uninstall, and then the package name. So now I don't want to uninstall this numpy, so I will not do it. And another thing is that if you want to install a specific version of a module, then you can install it like that. Put the package name double equals and then the version. Say I want to 1.0 point like this. You can install it like that. Another important, very important, is pip list. So this shows the packages installed in your machine, the Python packages that are already installed in your machine. So you can look at here the name of the package and the version of it. And another yes, if you want to know some particular information about a particular package, then you can do it like that. Pip show numpy. Okay, so here it says the name of the package, the version, summary, and all other informations like that. And now the master stroke is pip help. This shows many other options that you can play around with. Here it says many commands. Pip command install and freeze. Pip freeze shows, let me show you what pip freeze does. Pip freeze, yes, it lists all the packages, and you can from here you can copy it and put it in text document also if you want to see what packages are installed on your machine, and if you want to install same packages on another machine, then you can do it like that. So these were some essential pip commands.